Good morning, young minds. You know, when I was young, I failed a lot. I failed in school. I failed to get a job at KFC. I even failed to get into Harvard 10 times. But here I am today. Why? Because every single day I thought about my life. Let me ask you, do you think about your life every day, or do you just wake up, go to school, do homework, scroll on your phone, sleep and repeat? If that's all you do, then one day life will surprise you, but not in a good way. If you want to be successful, happy, and proud of yourself in the future, you must start thinking about your growth every single day. If today you are the same person you were yesterday, you are wasting time. Growth is not just about passing exams or getting good grades. It is about learning something new every day. The world is moving fast, and if you stand still, you are actually moving backward. Think about this. A tree never stops growing. Even if the weather is bad, even if people cut its branches, it still finds a way to grow. You must be like that tree. Learn something new, challenge yourself, and never stop improving. Growth does not only come from books, it comes from experiences, mistakes, and trying new things. If you are afraid of trying new things, you are afraid of growth. Some of you want to start a business, but you are scared of failure. Some of you want to improve your skills, but you are too lazy to practice. If you think like this, how will you grow? Every day, ask yourself, what did I learn today? How did I improve? If you have no answer, then you wasted a day. And if you waste too many days, you will waste your future. Many young people love excuses. I failed because my teacher didn't like me. I didn't do my homework because my pen broke. I can't succeed because the government is bad. Excuses, excuses, excuses. Let me tell you a secret. The world does not care about your excuses. Life is tough. Nobody's going to stop and say, oh no, poor you, let me fix everything for you. No. If you fall, nobody is coming to pick you up. Only you can do that. If you want to be successful, stop blaming other people. Take responsibility for your future. Yes, sometimes life is unfair. Sometimes you will face problems that are not your fault. But you must learn how to adapt. If life gives you bad cards, learn how to play them well. Complaining will not change your situation, but action will. The next time you feel like making an excuse, stop and think. Is this excuse helping me or stopping me? The moment you stop making excuses and start taking action, you will see your life change. Most people are scared of failure. But let me tell you something funny. If you never fail, you will never succeed. Failure is not the end, it is part of the journey. Every failure teaches you something. Imagine you're learning how to ride a bicycle. The first time, you fall. The second time, you fall again. The third time, you still fall. But by the fifth time, you start to balance. And soon, you are riding smoothly. Life is the same. You must fail forward. The next time you fail at something, don't feel sad. Smile and say, good, I learned something. Because if you keep learning, you will eventually succeed. Many people dream of being rich, but let me tell you, money is boring if you are useless. Success is not about how much money you have. It is about how valuable you are. If you want to be successful, focus on being useful. Solve problems, help people, create something that improves the world. When you are useful, success will follow. The more value you bring to the world, the more success you will achieve. Show me your friends, and I will show you your future. If you spend time with lazy people soon, you will be lazy too. If you spend time with negative people, you will start thinking negatively. But if you surround yourself with hardworking, smart, and positive people, you will become like them. Find mentors, find teachers, find people who challenge you to be better, because in the end, you become like the people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. You can be the smartest person in the world, but if you don't know how to communicate, your talent is useless. Many young people think communication means talking. No. Communication means making people understand you. It means listening, speaking clearly, and learning how to express yourself. If you want to be a leader, a business person, or even just a respected individual, learn how to communicate. Read books, practice public speaking, and learn how to listen. Working hard is important, but if you work hard without thinking, you will waste time. For example, imagine two people want to cut a tree. The first person takes an axe and starts chopping immediately. The second person spends 30 minutes sharpening the axe, then starts chopping. Who will finish first? The second person, because he worked smart and saved time. Hard work alone is not enough. You must learn to think, plan, and strategize. Many young people don't think about money until it is too late. They say, I will start saving when I have more money. But by the time they realize it, they are already broke. If you start saving even a small amount today, in 10 years, you will have something big. Don't waste money on things you don't need. Learn how to invest, understand how money works, and be smart with your finances. The person who saves early will always have more opportunities in the future. Many young people think health is only for old people. But let me tell you something. If you don't take care of your body now, your body will punish you in the future. Eat well, exercise, sleep enough, and don't put harmful things into your body. A healthy body gives you the energy and confidence to achieve your dreams. What is the point of being rich if you are too sick to enjoy it? Health is the real wealth. When I was young, I dreamed of creating a big company. But do you know what people told me? Jack, you are crazy. You are just a poor English teacher. If I had listened to them, I would be poor today. But I didn't. I believed in my dream and I worked for it. Your dream is yours. Nobody else will understand it. Some people will laugh at you, others will doubt you, but you must keep going. Because in the end, only those who believe in their dreams can turn them into reality. Life is short, my friends. One day you will look back and ask, did I really live or did I just exist? The choices you make today will shape your future. So think about your life every day. Are you growing? Are you learning? Are you taking responsibility? Are you useful? Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? Are you healthy? Are you saving money? Are you still dreaming? If you start thinking about these things today, your future will be bright. And remember, never stop dreaming. Thank you. Life is short, my friends. One day you will look back and ask yourself, did I really live or did I just exist? This is a question that only you can answer. And the answer depends on the choices you make today. Every great person you admire, whether it's a successful entrepreneur, a scientist, a great musician, or even an athlete, did not wake up one morning and suddenly become great. They thought about their life every day. They planned, they struggled, they learned from their failures, and they kept moving forward even when things got tough. Are you growing? Are you learning? Are you taking responsibility? Are you useful? Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? Are you taking care of your health? Are you saving money? Are you still dreaming? These are questions you should ask yourself every single day, because your future is being shaped by what you do today, not by what you hope will happen in the future. You don't have unlimited time. Many young people think, I will work hard later. I will think about my future later. I still have time. But let me tell you, time moves fast. If you don't take action now, you will wake up one day at 30, 40, or 50 years old and wonder where all the time went. The biggest mistake young people make is thinking they have forever. But the truth is, every day you waste is a day you will never get back. Successful people don't just think about their future once a year, they think about it every single day. A lot of people have big dreams, but they never start because they are waiting for the perfect time. I will start when I have more money. I will start when I finish school. I will start when I feel ready. But let me tell you something. The perfect moment will never come. The best time to start is always now. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know everything. And you don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to start. The people who wait for the perfect time end up waiting their entire lives and achieving nothing. Dreams are powerful. But a dream without action is just a fantasy. If you want your dreams to come true, you must wake up and work for them. Every day, take a small step toward your goal. Even if it is a tiny step, it is still progress. There will be times when you feel like giving up. There will be times when people laugh at you. There will be times when you doubt yourself. But those who succeed are the ones who keep pushing even when it feels impossible. Look at me. When I started Alibaba, I had no money, no experience, and no connections. People told me I was crazy, but I believed in my dream and I worked for it every single day. And today, that dream has become a reality. If you remember only one thing from this speech, remember this: your life is your responsibility. Nobody will live it for you. Nobody will fight for your dreams except you. If you fail, don't blame others. If you succeed, it's because you worked for it. Your teachers can guide you, your parents can support you, but at the end of the day, only you can build your future. So my friends, I leave you with one final thought. Think about your life every day, not once a year, not once a month, every single day. Because if you take care of today, your future will take care of itself. And remember, never stop dreaming. Thank you.